Love you, Cancer. Hope you're having a lovely day today. Let's see what's your relationship message is there for you, Cancer. And I've given you three crystals and three cards for you to choose from. Please choose a crystal or a card, and I'll tell your relationship message for you, Cancer. And let's see the magic happening. If you had chosen the first card and the first crystal, the card says the jade. And let's see what's the relationship message is there for you. Love can draw to you people who will see in you what you do not see in yourself and bring out the best in you. You do not have to be perfect. You can make mistakes, but what you cannot do is wall yourself off when love is crying out for you to connect and expand. For that will keep you from discovering your purpose. Let others help you find your hidden treasures. Listen to those who encourage you, and if someone tries to tell you that you haven't got what it takes, assume otherwise. Then seek out the company of those who see the best within you, for they are friends to treasure. And this is your first card. If you have chosen the first card, this is your relationship message. And if you have chosen the second card and the second crystal, and this is your relationship message for you. Joyful memories bind us to those we love, and the appearance of Dalmatian stone spirit is a sign that today you are meant to share laughter with those close to you. Our time here on earth is short, and we are meant to play and have fun. If you think back on those who have passed, the silliest stories may be the ones you most cherish as memories. These help you recall the joy you had being with them. Relationships can always use improvement, but today you are called to simply bring the laughter and fun into your relationships. If you have chosen the third card and the third crystal, and this is your relationship message for you, peacefulness in partnerships comes from being willingness to trust that there is more than one day to make things happen, more than one way to think or act. Just as in nature, you can partner with another who brings strengths to places where you're weak, even as you do the same. We are meant to support each other in our healing and growth, balancing each other, which is why opposites so often attract. Let yourself appreciate the harmoniousness that arises when you allow yourself to be different from another, yet unified in love and joyful interconnections.